Chapter 3.5 Word Problems with Systems of Equations, hosted by Iridium Tutoring. So we're first going to start off with a question related to vaccinations, and this question says, COVID-19 vaccination has 2 doses and the flu vaccination consists of 4 doses. This year, Dr. Satan gave a total of 60 vaccinations with a total of 184 doses. How many COVID-19 vaccinations did he give? So take a minute or two on this question, and when you think you've got the answer, you can play the video. Okay, so this is the solution. So the important step is to let x equal to the number of COVID-19 vaccinations and let y equal to the number of flu vaccinations. Now, you can switch these two, but then you would have to change the variables in the equations. So here we have 2x plus 4y equals to 184. Now 184 is the total number of doses. 4y is the number of doses for one flu vaccination, and 2 doses is the number of doses for a COVID-19 vaccination. So now you can use, and then the number of COVID-19 vaccinations plus the number of flu vaccinations is a total of 60 because there were a total of 60 vaccinations. So now you can use either substitution or elimination to get y equals to 32 and x equals to 28. And in this case, since x equals to the number of COVID-19 vaccination, and the answer, the question was asking us how many COVID-19 vaccinations he gave, the answer would be 28. X equals to 28. Now, moving on to the second problem, this question states, Kevin is running a t-shirt stand selling Iridium Tutoring merchandise. Kevin is selling hats and stickers. Each hat costs $1.50 and each sticker costs 50 cents. At the end of the day, Kevin makes a total of $78.5. Kevin sold a total of 87 hats and stickers combined. How many hats were sold and how many stickers were sold? The solution is, once again, we let x equal to something and we let y equal to something. And in this case, we let x equal to the number of hats sold and let y equal to the number of stickers. So then we can form these two equations. So we have 1.5x plus 0.5y gives us 78.5, and x plus y equals to 87. Now, where do we get these coefficients from? We got 1.5x from the price of per hat. So you can see each hat costs $1.50, and the 0.5 or 50 cents from the price of each sticker. And that in total would sum up to $78.50 as seen here. Now, x plus y equals to 87. X is the number of hats sold, y is the number of stickers sold, and they sold a total of 87 of hats and stickers. And now using substitution or elimination, we get x equals to 35 and y equals to 52. And since we know that x equals to the number of hats sold, we know that there were 35 hats sold. And for y, since it equals to stickers, there were 52 stickers sold. Alright, now moving on to the third question. A movie theater sells tickets for $5 each, and they also sell popcorn for $4 each bag. If Bob spends $23 on 5 items combined, tickets and popcorn, how many tickets did he purchase? And the solution is, once again, to let one variable equal to something, like such as the number of tickets sold, and another variable equal to something else, the number of popcorn sold, which equals to p. So then we can form these two equations, t plus p equals to 5, 5t plus 4p equals to 23, and once again, t plus p is the total number of items, which was 5, and 5t plus 4p is means the 5 in 5t is the price per ticket, as can be seen here, and the price of a popcorn, which is $4. They sell popcorn for $4, which gives us a total cost of $23 right here. So then we can use substitution or elimination to get t equals to 3 and p equals to 2. Alright, question number 4. Charles has $900 to spend on OSU tablets and OSU pens. Each tablet costs $600 and each pen costs $100. In total, he bought 4 items. How many of each did he buy? The solution is, once again, to set your variables equal to something and form the two equations, t plus p equals to 4 and 600t plus 100p equals to 900. And then you can use substitution or elimination to get t, which equals to 1, and p, which equals to 3. And since t equals to the number of tablets and p equals to the number of pens, we know that there are 1 tablet and 3 pens. Question number 5. 2 times a number added by 3 times a second number has a sum of 8. If 3 times a number added by 2 times a second number is 7, what are the respective numbers? Solution is, well, we first need to set the variables to, the numbers, and then we can form these two equations, as can be denoted by the question itself. 2 times a number added by 3 times the second number gives you 8, and 3 times the first number plus 2 times the second number is 7, as can be seen right here. And then you can use substitution or elimination to get these values right over here. And x is the first number, so the first number is 1, and y equals the second number. So the second number is 2. Alright, this is a challenge problem, question 6. This is from the AMC 10B, 2003 year. So the question says, Al, Betty, and Claire split $1,000 among them to be invested in different ways. Each begins with a different amount. At the end of 1 year, they have a total of $1,500. Betty and Claire have both doubled their money, whereas Al has managed to lose $100. What was Al's original portion? So take a little bit of time to try to solve this problem. And the solution is that the amount of money Al, Betty, and Claire had initially will be set as A for Al, B for Betty, and C for Claire. Now, the original equation looks like this, A plus B plus C. The sum of what they had was $1,000, as you can see right here. Al, Betty, and Claire split $1,000 among them. So all of the amounts added up is $1,000. And then after a year, in the problem, this equation will look like this. So we have A minus 100 plus 2B plus 2C equals to 1,500, which simplifies to A plus 2B plus 2C equals to 1,600. Now, how do we get this, you may ask? Well, in the question, it states that Al loses $100 after a year, and Betty and Claire have both doubled what they had a year ago, compared to a year ago, in which all of that sums up to $1,500, right? They have a total of $1,500, in which then, right, after you simplified, gives you this. Now, continuing on, we can multiply the first original equation by 2, and then we can use elimination to find the value of a. So if we multiply this entire thing by 2, we get this, and then we just subtract what we had here, which will then give us only 1a, which equals to $400. Now a equals to Al's portion, so Al's original portion was $400. And that is all for the questions.